We asked Bruce if he could do a burnout, and he said Chris would absolutely flip out. All right, so we just rolled up to CBM Motorsports. The Pro Car has been here for
a while. What, 6 months, 8 months?
A long time. It's been a crazy adventure. Basically, the motor got like trashed almost from day one when the car was finished. Halfway through our rookie Formula Drift season.
Bring it into that outer zone. On the second one, he does. Through the power alley, a big correction there by Haugen.
You guys can check out some of that footage, but basically, now that we're back here, basically starting with a whole new motor. We got a new block, all that stuff. It's finally tuned, and so let's go check it out and see if we're back in business or not. Side note, what are you wearing there, Carl?
What are you wearing?
Well, this is one of our partners. I got one of our partners' shirts on.
Yeah, this just...
What's Bruce wearing? Bruce, oh, I got CBM shirt. I got something next to
represent.
I don't have any CBM shirts, otherwise I'd have worn them.
You know what? Neither do I. I have no CBM t-shirts. Well, here she is, guys. In the Prime. Brand new motor. So next to some cool sand rails, too. Yeah.
This is just outrageous.
Joe's not even interested. Cool.
It looks exactly the same.
It does.
I'm sure it just runs a little better.
Well, it's the first start. For us, at least. You guys started a couple times, right?
Bruh.
It works!
Yeah, she's snappy.
I forgot how loud it was.
No more choking.
You
Probably
could,
louder now.
we couldn't even rev it like that. Like, if you guys watch any older videos, even just little revs like that, sometimes it would be like, and like go up. Like, this is so much better. Obviously, we got to do a burnout or some donuts, but before we do that, now that we have confirmed it does work, we kind of want to talk a little bit about like why we're at this point. And a lot of you guys have been asking like, where the heck is the Pro Car? Where's the R34? We miss it so much. Trust me, we miss it probably more than you guys do. So JMO, like, he was really the man behind this whole thing, like when it came to really starting trying to fix it and diagnose it.
Okay, so this car was the cause of a terrible rookie year.
Gets in that inside clip, you can see he's really struggling with the car a little bit. This section of the course a bit tight.
And the reasoning behind that was when we got the car, it ran great. It ran awesome for about 2 laps when you were test driving it, right? And then after that, it started to not run quite right, and then it started to foul injectors. So it plugged 2 sets of injectors right off the bat. We put 2 sets of injectors in it. We had another set sent out to get cleaned. It clogged that set. Finally, I figured that, you know, the fuel system's coming apart. So we took the entire fuel system apart, found it was standard AN fuel line, which is not compatible with E85 or Ignite Red, which is more of an E91.
Tough break there for Haugen on run number 1, and we'll see how the judges take those mistakes into account.
I redid the whole fuel system. We went with all PTFE and all PTFE fittings and changed out all of the fuel sump foam so that it's all E85 compliant. And
I'm gonna interrupt you. What did you do when you made those lines before you actually like put them on for the final time?
Clean them out.
Why would you do that? Why would you clean them out?
It's a big thing. It's a big thing people forget. When you cut and you fit AN lines, you have to clean them out. Because if you don't, all that rubber that you cut through is just wadded up right on the inside of the
fitting. That's what we found in
fitting.
those injectors.
Yeah, so those injectors were full of rubber. They were full of yellow foam from the fuel cell. Or it was blue foam, I think. I can't remember which was in
yellow
there.
in there too. We had like all like 6-9.
It was a mess. By the time we got all that fixed and tried to tune it to that, it was too late. The motor had already been hurt. And so we dropped it off with CBM. They went through and completely redid it. And hopefully we're good to go now,
So guys, every video that you have seen with this car, it's never worked correctly. Like ever. It's never worked correctly. And so I am so pumped up that I think we finally have a working pro car and we can freaking start practicing and preparing for like the next time we're gonna compete, because we are coming back. So there's not much else to say, but I think we need to freaking rip a Burnout. Do we need fuel in this thing, you think? I know they said they're, we're gonna go do a little Burnout real quick, okay? Let's do that. This needs to happen. Filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so story behind that is we asked Bruce if we could do a Burnout, and he said Chris would absolutely flip out if we did it on property. So that's not on property right over there. Shh, we don't promote street drifting, but every once in a while you're forced to do it.
I gotta be honest, I don't know if you can consider that drifting.
Yeah, I know, it's just a Burnout, but. So the motor is rebuilt. The car obviously works. What's next, you ask? We need to go test this thing. So we got the rig with us. We're gonna get her loaded up, and then we're headed out to Willow Springs, and we're gonna see. I've never driven this thing where it actually works. So we're gonna see what this thing's made of. I mean, come on, yes, so sick. All right, there's no way you can tell me you don't just love that sound. It's so sick. What Jim, what'd you say?
This car is scary. You can't, there's no like light touch. You can't have a light touch. It's like a switch. Oh, dang it!
NANI? No! Okay, that is so freaking funny. Gaijin took a poop and we kind of like forgot we were gonna go pick it up before we left. And I don't remember exactly where it was, but we ran right over it. All right, let's get it in like sick, all FX3 glory.
8K.
Yeah. I mean, that's a damn good looking poop if you ask me. These cinema cameras work some magic. All right, one last thing before we leave. Can you guys just please appreciate this motor and all its goodness? Look at that, look at the freaking, look at the intake. It's ridiculous. Supercharger, it's out of control. And it's in the best car in the world, Skyline R34. I'm so pumped. Guys, hit that subscribe button. Leave us some comments if you guys like this style of video. Again, we're kind of starting to do a little bit more vlogs for you guys since you asked for them.
Don't peek it.
What's in there? What's in there? And we brought, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
All kinds of Nissans.
Yeah, we're about to go have some fun. We're gonna be filming some more vlogs, so hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in like a day. All right, peace out.
Peace out.